Bubba, ready? Up. Wait, stay. Hey everyone. So we've been talking about what to eat, right? And really what we're shooting for is a big old thing of veggies, some meat, some good fat. And if you can do that pretty much in every meal, you know, as much as you can, then that's what we're shooting for. So I kind of think of it as, I used to use rice and pasta and stuff like that, and then top it off with a little bit of vegetables and some meat and stuff like that. So just ditch the pasta and the rice and replace that bulk with vegetables. So we're gonna cook up a bunch of veggies, and then we're gonna top it off with some cage-free eggs and some avocado, and that's gonna be our dinner tonight, okay? So check it out. We're gonna start off with a couple tablespoons of butter, heat it up in the pan. We have some organic no salt seasoning from Costco, Kirkland. Use this quite liberally. Seasoning is a good thing. There's going to be a lot more veggies going in here, so that's why I'm putting in a lot. Some more of this no salt seasoning. It's okay to be free with the seasoning, especially if it's not too much salt. Salt, you can definitely overdo the salt. So, hi. Cool, let's stir it up. Bon appetit! Bowl full of veggies, a couple of eggs, and some avocado. It's gonna be awesome. And of course I added some grass-fed Polish sausage to mine.